Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aquarius. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Aquarius, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance, guys. So, let's start with these cards for your general energies. Aquarius, we have Temperance, Six of Moons in reverse, and Seven of Suns in reverse. So, with these cards in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or it may be in your relationship, you are facing a lot of obstacles and struggles, maybe, guys. You are trying to overcome all that. You are putting in a lot of efforts, and you are someone who is a very skilled and talented person, and you are not leaving any opportunity to turn around your circumstance. So you are working really hard, maybe, guys, using your skills and talents, and you have great ambitions and goals for yourself in your life. And your hard work is the reason you are in a very good, advantageous position for success, guys. Maybe your dreams and goals, it may not be today, but you are moving on the right path towards success in your circumstances, Aquarius. So you need not worry, guys, that things are not happening today. At the appropriate time, everything is going to change, and things will take a beautiful turn. And maybe you are still worried about something of your past, maybe the failures that you have seen in your life, in your work, or it may be in this relationship with this person you love. So you may have some worries, something is troubling you, and you are brooding over your past, wishing that things were different, and you are still wishing that things went differently, and thinking over your past again and again. But feeling sad for your past is not going to take you anywhere, guys. So you need to think ahead. Maybe you're thinking of your ex, maybe crying and you're missing them. But it is not going to help you in any way, guys. You brooding over the past. Maybe if you look at your present situation, if you look ahead to your future, you will see a better love or better chances. You will have a better chance in a beautiful relationship coming towards you. So you need to overcome your thoughts about some past relationship today, guys, Aquarius. And whatever you are feeling right now, the sadness and stress, maybe you feel dejected, desperate to see this person, to speak whatever you want to speak, maybe with your ex. Maybe it may be your energy or their energy towards you, guys. But whatever it is not going to take you towards your future. It is not going to help you in any way. And you are healing, guys. Maybe you will be able to overcome the sadness and stress you are feeling today in this relationship, and you will find a balance. That is also what I see, guys. So you will know what you need to do to take you away from this pain, maybe forget the past and move on, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's 9 of stars, guys. So maybe with this card you are missing them, maybe, guys. Maybe you are in separation, you are missing this person, your ex, and maybe you are jealous of them, or this may be their energy towards you, guys. Maybe they are jealous of you because you have someone with you, you have a good relationship going, or it may be their energy, maybe they are having someone and you are jealous or you are envious of them. But you need to understand that if that love you both had for each other, it had its time and it was not working, so you need to forgive, forget, and move forward in your life, Aquarius. That is what I see, guys, with this card. So for your career situation, guys, we have 5 of moons in reverse. So with this card, in your career situation, Aquarius, maybe you need to, or you are having help from your friends or family. They are here to help you and guide you. So maybe you are requesting help, or they may be coming to help you in your circumstances. So they may see you in desperate need of someone close to them, comforting them. So maybe for this love situation, or maybe in your career, they may be giving you some valuable suggestions and ideas, Aquarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Aquarius, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what this card is for those who chose this card. It says time for a nap. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship or in your life in general, in your career maybe. So this may not be the right time to make any plans. So even in your relationship, if you are single, if you are in not any relationship right now, you just need to take this time to understand yourself, to get that clarity what you truly feel. Or if you are with someone you love, this may be the time to relax, because in your circumstances today, it's really uneventful, nothing is happening. So from your side, from your point of view, you should not force anything. You must just allow things to flow naturally, guys. And beautiful renewal is taking place. You are getting that detox and rejuvenation much needed in this relationship. And patience is the key to achieve whatever you wish for yourself. So this is the time for you to take rest so that your love and this relationship will become much more stronger and rejuvenated, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, this card, it is a crystal spirits card, guys, and it is sodalite. So with this card, it just means that you need to understand that you are part of that divine energy. You have that divine force with you, and that divine force is the reason for inspiration and guidance we feel in our hearts every day, each and every day of our life, guys. And that divine spirit wants always the best for us. So maybe in your circumstances, you may have some doubts regarding some decisions you need to make today, but you don't know what will be the right thing to do. You are in a lot of confusion, maybe, guys. Maybe in this relationship, you can have that trust that this divine spirit is going to guide you in the right way, and you should not forget your worth, your values, and your truth, whatever you have in your heart of hearts. And if you are not sure about your next move, what should be the next choice or decision you need to take today in your circumstances, guys, you can pray humbly in your heart of hearts to that divine spirit to guide you. So maybe whatever decisions you take up, you make, or whatever actions you do will not be a repeat of the past mistake. So that will be a guidance from that universal spirit helping you today, guys. And this crystal stands for that, guys. This crystal helps us to find that right answer within ourselves, and it guides us in our meditation. So if you need to make some important decisions, you just need to close your eyes, keep yourself calm and quiet, composed for a few seconds, and pray honestly and humbly in your heart of hearts, and you may get the answer for whatever questions you may have in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.